Darin, rooted in China and catering to a global audience, has been steadfastly committed to the research, development, and manufacture of snack machines since its inception in 2011. Like the unwavering operation of its machinery in over 70 countries and regions, Darin's dedication to global economic prosperity remains unyielding. Recognized as a provincial high and new technology enterprise, an SRDI enterprise, and a science and technology enterprise of Shandong Province, Darin boasts nearly 10 invention patents and hundreds of utility model patents. Moreover, the company is actively pursuing further advancements in the automation of snack equipment. Fully aware of its mission, Darin relentlessly strives to provide users with fully automated production lines. Its machinery embodies a commitment to automation, aesthetics, durability, ease of operation, and minimal maintenance, offering a genuine token of appreciation to its trusted clientele. By continuously enhancing equipment quality and user experience, Darin empowers its users to maintain a leading edge in their respective industries. Understanding that science and technology are the driving forces of progress, Darin places a premium on talent cultivation. Its research and development team, comprising of highly educated individuals with extensive industry experience, exceptional innovation capabilities, and a strong command of foreign languages, is adept at discerning client needs, gauging market trends, and proactively advancing machine automation and product upgrade. Firmly believing that quality is the cornerstone of any enterprise and service is the bedrock of development, Darin places equal emphasis on product excellence and after-sales support. The company is convinced that there are no small details in after-sales service, and each now reflects its pursuit of perfection. Every challenge is viewed as a catalyst for growth and innovation. Providing comprehensive and attentive solutions to users is an honor, while offering swift and timely after-sales service is an obligation. As society progresses, industries evolve, and markets become more segmented, manufacturing enterprises face unprecedented pressure. In this context, Darin's automated and customized production lines offer a competitive edge by reducing reliance on manual labor, lowering production costs, and facilitating differentiated products. Darin machines are poised to empower its clients to navigate through challenges and forge ahead, growing in tandem with evolving times. These machines will continue to operate smoothly and efficiently, not only in the current 70-plus countries, but also in 170 and beyond in the future.